Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Chris Lopez. I'm just here to try and provide you SI owners, especially 8th gens, with some a little quick tip here, some little research that I've done. Those of you who own this particular vehicle or this generation of SI will hear kind of a grinding noise at startup if you have a significant amount of miles on it. And at first everyone thinks it's this here, which is the idler pulley, this part right here. This black piece does not get replaced. The pulley itself has the bearing in it. You just take the bolt out, take the belt off, and replace the pulley itself. But I did that and the noise did not go away. So my next bet was, I checked this hose down here, which is the positive crankcase ventilation hose, otherwise known as the PCV valve in the hose. And when the car was running, I clamped this hose off and the grinding noise went away, to my amazement. So without replacing the intake itself, the only possible solution you have is to replace that little bolt right there that goes into this piece. This is the PCV valve itself, and you screw it out, and I'll show you the old one, what it looks like, what it comes out. It's a 17mm bolt. Comes out, should look like this. This is what's connected. And if I actually did some research, and if you get a little bit of oil, if there's a little bit of oil on the threads coming out, that's completely normal according to Honda. So yeah, this is the positive crankcase ventilation valve here. So this is what I believe the culprit is to the grinding noise, or the little kind of scratchy marble sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my car, and hopefully the noise goes away. I'm gonna put you down for a second. Alright, hopefully you guys can hear me, but I don't really hear the grinding noise anymore. Like I said, all I did was replace that valve right there, that little bolt down there. That's the PCV valve, and I don't really hear it. You hear clicking in the background. That's just the K-Series engines are just known for having loud injectors. There's nothing really you guys can do about that. The injectors, of course, are here. Injector here. 2, 3, 4, and those are the things making the pulsing noises. But it was more of like a marbly, scratchy, almost like sliding, I don't know, it's hard to explain, like chalk, I guess a chalkboard, some sort of grinding noise. It was wicked. It was pissing me off wicked bad. And I replaced the pulley, and I was all excited. That's the pulley there, and I thought it was going to go away, but it didn't. So I went ahead and bought a PCV valve. I bought it straight from Honda, about $23. And the grinding noises seem to go away. If you got, I should have took a video before I took the old one out of what it sounded like, but I'm sure you can search it up and you'll find videos. If the PCV valve is old, just makes it wicked. Sounds like your motor's like just shitty. It sounds wicked shitty, and it's embarrassing. You know, when you start your motor and it just scratches, and people think your motor is a piece of shit. So that'd definitely be a go-to right there. This is the motor here. It's come here between the AC line. It's right there. If any of you guys are experiencing that scratchy noise, I'd go ahead and replace that PCV valve first and see if that cures the problem. And if it doesn't, then I would go ahead and replace this pulley. But those two combined should at least get rid of the noise. So leave a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you.